guys, it's Ariel here from Fix My Books, and today I'm going to show you how to make installment payments with the CRA for your individual taxes. So this is your personal tax, okay, on your T1, not your business tax. So first things first, you need to log in to your CRA individual account, and then once you're here, you need to click Accounts and Payments on the left and then click Proceed to Pay. You can see here it says there's no balance, right? There's no balance that you have to pay yet. This is us making installment payments. Next, you'll hit Start. And then you have two options. Either you do a one-time payment or you schedule multiple payments in advance. So if you do a one-time payment, you're going to have to do this like 4 times in a year because installment payments are usually quarterly. So let's do the one-time payment first. And please note that you cannot pay via credit card. This is all Visa debit or debit MasterCard. And they do not accept Interact debit cards anymore after May 31, 2024. So it's 2025 now. Definitely not accepted. So just click the Pay by Visa and then click Next. And then once you're here, just enter your cardholder name, card number, etc., and you click Pay. So as you see in the previous screen, you entered the amount that you wanted to pay, and then in the next screen, that's why it says amount to be paid, let's say $1,000, and then you have 18 minutes to complete your payment. So you're on a timer here. So just enter that, click Pay, and then that would be it. That's your one-time payment. Next, this is if you want to schedule installment payments in advance, so multiple payments. So this is you scheduling all the installment payments for the year in one go, so you never have to log in here again for the next year to make installment payments. So you can see amount per payment is $1,000. How often? So quarterly. Again, most people are going to be on quarterly. If you want it more often, then you can choose that. Number of payments, 4. So that would be 4 payments since it's quarterly. And then the first payment date is when you want the first payment to start. So just take note that the total amount is the amount per payment multiplied by the number of payments. So here the amount per payment is $1,000, and we're going to do 4 payments. So obviously because it's quarterly, so 4 payments per year. And then so the total that you're actually going to pay is $4,000. But it will be just $1,000 per payment. They're not going to take $4,000 in one go, right? So it shows you the total. It also shows you the amount per payment. Just note that. And then make sure that you have a copy of a void check from your bank because you will need those details to enter into here. So you see with the Visa debit, you can only like do, or like MasterCard debit, like you can only do it once. So it's like per payment you have to just pay, but here you can schedule it in advance because this is a pre-authorized debit basically agreement that you're agreeing with the CRA. So that's why you would need a void check so that you can enter your bank details in here, and make sure you use your personal account to pay your personal taxes. Okay, and then just double check, see how it says individual income tax T1 installments. Double check that all of these details are correct, like how often is quarterly, blah, blah, blah. First payment date, last payment date, and then the total payments that you're going to make. And then again, obviously, these are your bank details from like the last screen. So click I hereby authorize, right? Make sure you tick that box and then hit submit. So that is how you make payments to the CRA for your individual personal income tax installments.